So guys, we are currently here at one of the most beautiful spots in Venice. Hey guys, welcome to Venice, Venice, Italy. Alright. Hey guys, we are here at Venice with Millian and Nadine. And if you guys taking the boat to the airport, this is the ferry station. Behind is KFC. And I think the only means of getting to the airport is the boat. There's no car here, guys. See, look, it's boat everywhere. It's boat everywhere. Let's go and row the boat. Row the boat. Look at the side. It's beautiful. But we'll check this.
Oh, careful.
Oh, look at this one. Wow. This store. Magnificent. I'm Filipino too. Look at this, guys. This side. We'll check the boat. Try natin yung boat doon muna. Look at this. Water. The people are walking there. Let's go. Let's try the boat. So guys, we are heading to line 1 and 2. So if you're planning to go the Rialto Bridge, it's the most famous bridge here in Venice. So guys, if you want to try that one, it's a royalty boat. Look, and it's nice, beautiful. Wow. So guys, we're taking number 2 boat, heading to Rialto Bridge.
I thought we were gonna take the small boat.
It's the same. We are now embarking. Let's go. So guys, we are boarding now, heading to Rialto Bridge, where this bridge is known as the famous bridge in Venice. It's where tourists, visitors used to visit. So guys, we are now embarking. Ano makalusot? I think it's over. Oh no. Oh, wala yan. Finally, we'll get to it now. Yes. Sinara na? Come on. It's been here. We just stay here. There you go. We are tall. So I can see anyone. We are tall. Oh, Bon Voyage, Dolce Vita, Italia. It's so no. That's smart. That's smart. Come on. Let's join hands. Ingat ka dyan, naka. Dito na tayo. Rialto. Yeah. Maglalakad na lang tayo. Then, we have reached our destination. So for those who are going to Rialto Bridge, right from here and take a walk for 1 minute. See out there. Yeah. This is the Rialto Bridge. It's known to be the famous bridge in Venice. Venice, yeah. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's go, guys. Enjoy your stay. Yes. Alright, guys. We are here at Rialto, Venice. Oh. So here, guys, come here. Here. Sorry. We can go the other side. Here, we will explore from here. Let's have photo here. See, come. Photo. 1, 2, 3. Go. Let's cross. So this is the bridge, guys. So this is the bridge, guys. The Rialto Bridge. It's the most famous bridge in Venice. As you can see, there are a lot of people taking pictures. And shout out sa mga Pilipino.
Are we going down?
Yes. Yeah, we go down. We can take the other side as well. I think this one. This is holy. Oh, there's shops here. Look. Ang daming tao. Din, take left. So we'll take photo here. So guys, this is the view. Okay. Here's the Venice. And on this side. So here you can find later. You can find these beautiful shops. Look at the gondola. You can have your private tour, private boat. So here, guys, it's a beautiful, it's majestic view here. Antica Historian. This is the old side of the Venice. Look. Ooh. There's no one. And there are sinampais there. Look at the sinampais. Residential na yata to eh. Okay, let's have some gelato ice cream. Okay, choose your size. This, cone, yeah.
Cone or
Baricone.
cone?
For this one maybe. Yeah? Yeah. 2 balls. 2 balls. Okay, have this together. I mean, this is nice, huh?
Pwede din siguro sa parang bridge na yan dati. Bakit parang kuya?
Enjoy the gondola. So guys, we're strolling here beside this beautiful restaurant. And you'll see this beautiful boat. You can rent the boat. You can rent a boat for 90 euro gondola. So guys, you can rent a gondola for 90 euro. So you can see the entire waters here and have a nice spot and views, and you have a beautiful pictures, and you can have beautiful shots and pictures. So look at them. This is the ordinary boat taxi, and you can choose. It's their public transportation anyway. So it's just that you have to wait for that boat, and that's time consuming. Instead, you can rent a boat, then you have the freedom to navigate the entire waters here. Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Ano mami? 90 euro. Sakay tayo. Kaya nila yan. Ha? Ganda dito guys. Taxi. Dito pala dapat mami. Oh, may pila dun, oh. May pila. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa parang center of Venice. You will see the beautiful scenery, and this is so behind me is the statue of Carlo Venetia. So we're strolling this beautiful island of Venice. Yeah. Let's find out here. This is the shopping area here. Oh, Suso.
You want to be on the left side of the camera?
Yeah. Anong meron dito? May ganun. Look at the bags. Zanuta. Oh, gelato ice cream. That's Suso. I love Suso. I love gelato. Oh, look at there. Look at the building here, guys. Ito, kailangan ko nito, mami. Oh. Teka lang. Look at this. Is Sierra di Castillo here. Oh, wow, ma'am. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Nice. Guys, look at this. You got my bag? It's really beautiful. It's very Instagrammable. Come and visit Venice, guys. Enjoy it. Yes. Look at the architecture around. Ooh. Here. Beautiful. Hey guys. So guys, we are here. There you go. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Like this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, we are currently here at one of the most beautiful spot in Venice. So if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at that beautiful country. Woo. Let's go, guys. So on this spot, it's really easy. Oh, nice. Chocolate. It's fountain. Are you a chocolate lover? Are you a chocolate lover? Look at the old-fashioned buildings here in Venice. Here. Look at this. What's this for? Oratorio. Mahilig ba kayo sa masisikip? Ito. Calle del Cafete. Uy. Sobrang sikip. Ito. Sikip-sikip. Naghanap ka ba ng masikip? Ito ang masikip. Mukhang maliligaw na tayo dito.
Parang dyan din yung labas.
Oh, here. Calle de la Faba. Ah, yeah. Dito na tayo. We love Italy. Tayo na. 1,